Hello, my name is Pratik Jaiswal and this is my tutorial for Big Data Cassandra assignment number 1. Uh, this is my Python file I am using to establish connection using Python through for Cassandra database, and I'll start with data stacks page. So this is the home page. This is the home page of my DataStax account. You can see that I've already created a database called DS201-2, and it is active, up and running. I have already created a key space called practice in this database. I'll quickly go into the console to show you what all is there in this key space. So we'll use practice. This is the name of my key space. I'll quickly show you if I have any tables already loaded in this key space. So for that we will use the SQL query describe tables, describe tables, and see, we have no tables as of now in this database. Now to create a table and insert data using Python, we will come back to this Python file, Python Anaconda file. This is all the imports required for me to complete this assignment. I am importing all the regular assignment. This is the and I have created two environmentals. So this is one application token and this is one bundle path to establish my connection for Cassandra. This was provided to me from DataStax website. I downloaded it and stored it in my IPYNB file data folder. So I have established that, and here I am gonna establish my connection to the database, and okay, oops, I am so sorry, I didn't execute that. So this and this. So if I am not wrong, yeah, you can see that the establish has the connection has been established. I'm so sorry for my fumble. I am also gonna define my key space. So this is the query that I have created. I am creating a table called sports in the key space called practice, and this is my table statement, create table statement. My partition I column will be sports ID, and I am gonna sort this data using by added date. So you can see it's right here. We'll have our data sorted by in descending order with respect to added date. So we will execute this query. Again, before executing that, I will want to show that we don't have any table here, but once we execute this query, now because we have already established a connection with our Cassandra database, we should have a table called sports now, because we have executed this query. So we can come back here again, describe tables, and voila, we have sports here. We'll come back here. This is a dummy set of data I have created for my table. I'll be inserting each row of data using a for loop in the Cassandra website. But before that, we'll just quickly apply a select statement to see if the table is empty. Practice dot sports. There you go. You can see that our table is created, but it is empty as of now because we haven't executed this query. I'll quickly execute this query, and I think our data is loaded. I am gonna check if our data is loaded from here, and then we'll be checking it again on the console from DataStax website. I'm gonna print all the data, all the rows that have been inserted in our table. So using this for loop, I'll execute this code. We can see that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rows of data in our table. Now I'll confirm that from here as well. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, exactly. So we got our data loaded. Now we have to apply filter on our data. So as we saw, originally we have 10 rows of data in our table, but when we apply filter, I have applied filter on popularity rank, and if the sports is indoor or not, the boolean column that I have in my table, I've applied the filter on them. Printing the rows of the applied filter, we get 3 rows of data with the filter. So 1 2 3, and now that we have achieved our objective from this assignment, we'll also go ahead and delete the table. So the drop table command, it ran successfully, as we can see here. I'll check if we still have the table or not. No, as you can see, our table has been dropped and deleted. Now to conclude this assignment, I would like to close the connection of Cassandra. Closing a connection to the database is always preferred, uh, as it prevents the data from being corrupted while operating. Thank you so much. This is all from me for my assignment 1. Thank you.